Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. It's Jojo and
Shrutspa.
Back from the holiday. Shrutspa.
शायद हो भी सकता है शायद
Mentally she's not.
शायद everything is a शायद. आज mental state is that.
Acha, I got it. Well done, well played. It is time for Shayad. Yes.
शायद हो शायद ना हो. Maybe we're just saying it like that, but we play something else.
We don't know. But he dropped it on a non-related to this channel day. So the spell has been broken.
Yes, what we said last time holds then. It's a kind
yes,
of like
we both win. So anyway, it's our favorites, TY, JJ, and Jokhe together. It's called Shayad, and I mean, let's just get into it without further ado. You know?
Yes.
Let's do it. Okay.
Ready.
1, 2, 3, play. No lyrics.
कठिन सफर मिली खबर किनारे पे वो अपना घर हरे जख्म है आंखें नम चलते रहे या करें सबर फिर चल दिए कंधों पर लेके बोझ है आगे रंजिशें और दोगले लोग के लगते हैं अपने अब तो पर आए हैं आंखों में आंसू करता ना कोई गौर कहता हूँ सच लगे सबको झूठ मानता ना कोई मेरा क्या कसूर दर्द क्यों सहते क्या किसी को कहते रहते ज़मीं पे नहीं कोई गुरूर क्या कुछ सुना क्या कुछ कहा चादर थी छोटी मैं अकड़ा रहा घुटता रहा दिल दुखता रहा कैसे मैं दिखता मैं छुपता रहा कांटों में सिमटा जैसे चुपता रहा इरादे से नहीं पर कोई सुनता ना था वो कैसी गलत फहमियां मेरे बारे जब बोझ में किसी से रखता ना था आए मेरी याद जब आए मुझे मौत मेरी कदर नहीं थी पर शायद अब थोड़ी बहुत मेरे जाने के बाद के सब याद रखे मुझे पर असलियत यही कि कुछ दिन का माना था ये सोच
शायद तुझसे ख्वाबों में मिलूं क्या करूं इन यादों से अब लड़ूं मैं अंदर से मर चुका अब कैसे जीऊं गमी इतने क्या क्या मैं छुपाता फिरूं घुट रहा हूँ भीड़ में जीने तो दो खुल के सांस ही लेने तो दो तरसे घूंट के तुम पीने तो दो क्यों मुझे ढूंढते भाई जीने तो दो
धर्म भरम लेकिन फिर भी कैसे भरम देख ज्वाला खून तभी हो जाता है गरम देख झूठी बातें मुझसे होती नहीं हजम देख जितने भी बन जाए सख्त लोड़े दिल के नरम देख मेरा अज़म मेरा कदम मेरा कलम देख मेरे गाने मेरी कला मेरी नज़म देख करम देख जाके कहीं मरम देख तुझे देखे जो टैटू मेरी बॉडी पे जख्म थे लेजे नरम थे पैके आग क्यों तुम सगे नहीं मांगते साफ क्यों तुम खुदा नहीं छीनते खुराक क्यों तू तरफेता डालो बेवजह जाप क्यों जुनूनी खून तेरी जुस्तजू कहाँ है तू भागे जिसके पीछे वो रूबरू कहाँ है उर्दू हिप हॉप मेरी उर्दू कहाँ है तू ही हिप हॉप जे खुद कहाँ है पॉलीटॉक मेरा वजू कहाँ है बातू इल्म तराजू कहाँ है हाथ धुआ को नहीं उठते मेरा दिल मेरे बाजू कहाँ है हारे हैं जीते हैं आंसू को पीते हैं दिल के ये फीके हैं जाने तरीके हैं जख्मों को सीते हैं गिर के ही सीखे हैं आईने में देख हम खुद पे भी चीखे हैं मेरी हसल मेरा पेट भरे तुझे देखे जो वो मेहनत वो लग नहीं मैं मंजिल पे पहुंचा जबकि पता रास्ता सड़क नहीं जिंदगी ने सख्त किया बचपन कड़क नहीं मुंह बल गिरे पर गए भटक नहीं गाने करने हैं झोंके तुझे पता मेरी बुझी ये तड़प नहीं
शायद तुझसे ख्वाबों में मिलूं क्या करूं इन यादों से अब लड़ूं मैं अंदर से मर चुका अब कैसे जीऊं गमी इतने क्या क्या मैं छुपाता फिरूं घुट रहा हूँ भीड़ में जीने तो दो खुल के सांस ही लेने तो दो तरसे घूंट के तुम पीने तो दो क्यों मुझे ढूंढते भाई जीने तो दो रहते हम जोन में बैठ मेरी क्लास में सब जाने क्यों कौन मैं खुदा नशीने लोग तभी खड़ा माइक्रोफोन पे पिस्टल मेरे हाथ में पर अपने मुझे रोक ले अकेले बैठे सोचते आगे तेरी सोच से खुदा के इसी खौफ से ना लड़े कभी शौक से कुत्ते मैंने पाले जो वही मुझे भौंकते बातें इतनी असर असर छोड़े खड़े रोंगटे अशकों का दरिया ये डूबे मेरे अपने कैसे ना फिर कूदे जेबे पत्थरों से भर के मैं खुदा के सहारे वही पूरे करे सपने वही दिखाता रास्ते वही सोने को छत पे ये दुनिया वाले समझे मुझे होश नहीं है इंडस्ट्री ये मुलाजिम मेरी दोस्त नहीं है अंधेरे भी ये डरे मेरी रोशनी से ना समझ मुझको दोष दे वो सोच नहीं है, क्या लड़ूं इन मेहमानों से, क्या डरूं इन दीवानों से, क्या रहूं आसमानों पे और बादलों से गाने दे वो डरे इन निगाहों से, जब स्टूडियो हो बाहों में मैं लिख रहा अलग सालों से, जब समझे नहीं क्या मानोगे, ढूंढ बिल मुकाबिल लड़े हुए हम तो मौत से, सड़क से शुरू हुए अब दिखे बिल बोर्ड पे, असला बिना लाइसेंस के लेके पहुंचूं मैं शूट पे, ये बिला वजह शोर इनको चाहने वाले टोक दे, वो भी आशिक थे हमारे जो हमें कातिल बता रहे, मैंने देखे वो नजारे जब यहाँ जीने के थे लाले, फिर पीटर दिए सलाह के कहती इसको कौन संभाले, हम इन लफ्जों के सहारे लोगों को जीना सिखा रहे, भाई ऐसे के खुद राह ढूंढ लेते, दिलों पे है काबू होता जादू जैसे, वर्सेस ऐसे बाटे बोल क्या लूं पैसे, डाका पूरे शहर पे हम डाकू ऐसे,
शायद तुझसे ख्वाबों में मिलूं, क्या करूं इन यादों से अब लड़ूं, मैं अंदर से मर चुका अब कैसे जीऊं, ग़मी इतने क्या क्या मैं छुपाता फिरूं, घुट रहा हूँ भीड़ में जीने तो दो, खुल के यहाँ सांस ही लेने तो दो, तरसे घूंट के तुम पीने तो दो, क्यों मुझे ढूंढते भाई जीने तो दो.
Dude.
भाई जीने तो दो. ये बहुत ज़्यादा hard vibing is happening with this song. This is amazing.
Seriously, hard relating, hard vibing.
Fully. And कितने सारे ऐसे
I don't know where
कहाँ
to
से शुरू
begin.
कर रहे हैं, है ना? I have to
Same
say
pitch.
the fast flow which Tala Yunus
Yunus.
took, no,
Hmm.
straight after the chorus when he went into that fast one in the third verse, I think third
Yeah.
था ना,
Yeah.
उसमें usually when he goes chopper flow वो अलग होती है, ये chopper flow नहीं थी, ये like खुंदस निकाल flow थी. It
was
almost
very
felt like
like-
that.
He's getting breathless, but he's letting it out. And then finally,
it's like
before the
अंदर का.
last 4 lines, he took a deep breath. Like finally, he took that
Yeah,
breath when
yeah.
everything had come out. It felt like
I
that.
counted total 3 breaths. Like उतने
हाँ.
लंबे paragraph में, because I think the breath was like part of the structure.
Of the whole
So it was
thing.
almost every time he took a breath, there was like a distinct pause.
Hmm.
And at the same time, it was like that impact which is coming through. So I had to talk about like the third verse pehle. But if
I
really-
get, because
right?
even that whole section, I was suddenly getting breathless. I was like,
Yeah.
okay, finally he took a breath.
But I have to say,
Yeah.
JJ47's verse was my favorite.
My
Like, I
favorite.
don't know, there was just
Listen,
right. You were here?
Listen,
yeah.
I got goosebumps. at so many lines
Those
of
bars,
JJ's.
yes.
I literally, like my wrong table, like I was a hard relate.
Yeah,
Okay, love this. Love what he's saying here. So we'll go through the lyrics.
And the way he was,
For
the way he was twisting the lyrics, ना वो कहाँ से शुरू हो रहे थे और जब बात खत्म होती थी, वो जो एक twist आता था ना, उस time it was like how you're saying, it was like wrongte, emotion, but at the same time, it was like this
Pain
push and
and-
pull of emotion
Yeah.
happening, which one couldn't understand क्या हो रहा है. तो वो अच्छा था, and वो repeatedly हो रहा था. It
Yeah.
wasn't like it was just one off, एक बार में हो गया. वो
Yeah.
बार हर बार में हो रहा था. So which
Yeah.
is very nice. Of course, even Jokhe, right in the like first one which he started was like, it was really nice. And the hook was very soothing. So, जितना वो tough चीजें बात कर रहे हैं, the hook was like marham on the entire chot.
The hook
That's
was
what
a
I felt.
shocker. The hook was a complete shocker because I was thinking Jokhe is going to be on the hook per usual, and then it was Yunus, and Yunus was
Yeah.
singing. That's why, like the first time the hook came on, I was like, I was confused AF. I was like, wait, is he singing? He's singing. He's singing nicely. He's actually singing with like a singer's emotion, because
Yeah,
Yunus
yeah,
is
yeah, yeah.
normally like spitting his verses with, like attitude and anger and those kind of
Yeah.
things. But this time it was
Avastri.
very, and but the hook was just so flowy and so vibey and so like him in a different zone completely. And even the texture of
Yeah.
his voice sounded very different. Like he's really worked at he's really worked at even this skill now, he's I don't want to be content with just rapping and just spitting lines and doing crazy rhyme schemes and flows. I'm gonna also be like get into the singing zone. So
I like it. I like his singing voice. It was
I
very
liked it.
soothing. Yeah, full emotion came across. It was lovely.
it
He
had a
should sing
little,
more, 100%.
yeah, he had this soothing sort of balmy effect, but also it had a slight roughness to it, so it was kind of that graininess was
Yeah.
happening along with the smoothness. So it was nice. It was a good mix of the two. I liked it. What a vibey
यार
hook.
ये कितने मिनट का गाना था? It
I
was
think
5
5.
minutes.
Hmm.
Fully justified
5.5.
because agar lyrics ko dekho to it's like endless
Hmm.
because it also went really fast, right? So 5.5 minute ka gana tha, but
Yeah.
like at the speed that they usually sing it and spirit
Yeah.
and like all of it put together, it's like endless. The lyrics are going on.
Ah, and speaking, like, I mean, there were 3 full verses. I think we've heard Jokhe do a bit of rap before. I think one song, I can't remember which one it was, but here, like, the song started with him singing, and obviously we love Jokhe. So the minute he started, I was just like, oh, this is the zone. I love this zone.
Right.
But he switched after the singing finished. He went into like proper rapping.
Yeah.
And like, because his voice ka quality and just the tonality is so sweet, for lack of a
Yeah.
better word. It sounded very nice when he was
Yeah.
saying all these like truth bombs and all these
Correct.
hard lines. So anyway, let's go through the lyrics because it is
Let's do.
very much required in this song. Okay. कठिन सफर मिली खबर किनारे पे वो अपना घर हरे जख्म. Oh, 1 second. Someone had sent me a list of the Urdu words in the song yesterday only.
How
So,
sweet.
I know.
That's adorable.
And this time,
Already preempt
I
karke.
took a
Well
screenshot. Yeah, I took a screenshot. I was like, I'm not gonna lose
Well
it.
done. Yes.
So okay, there are some words
That's
here.
very kind of you guys, huh? Thanks.
I know. Let me just take his name, Mohammed Bissam. Thank you. Okay, कठिन सफर मिली खबर किनारे पे वो अपना घर हरे जख्म हैं आंखें नम चलते रहे या करे सबर. I like that line. Then फिर चल दिए कंधों पर लेके बोझ है आगे रंजिशें और दोगले लोग रंजिश we know. के लगते हैं अपने अब तो पराए है आंखों में आंसू करता ना कोई गौर कहता हूँ सच लगे सबको झूठ मानता ना कोई मेरा क्या कसूर दर्द ही सहते क्या किसी को कहते दर्द ही सहते क्या किसी को कहते रहते जमीन पे नहीं कोई गुरूर. I like it. I like it. Just 1 second. I have to say this again. दर्द ही सहते क्या किसी को कहते रहते जमीन पे नहीं कोई गुरूर. क्या कुछ सुना क्या कुछ कहा चादर दी छोटी मैं अकड़ा रहा.
This was my favorite line. One of
Yes,
the favorites.
yes. घुटता रहा दिल दुखता रहा कैसे मैं दिखता मैं छुपता रहा कांटों में सिमटा जैसे चुपता रहा इरादे थे नेक पर कोई सुनता ना था. ओह, ओके. तो कैसी गलत फहमियां मेरे बारे जब बग्स में किसी से रखता ना था. Bugs is jealousy. Okay, it's in the list. So cool. Nice. Okay, so जब bugs में किसी से रखता ना था आए मेरी याद जब आए मुझे मौत मेरी कदर नहीं थी पर शायद अब है थोड़ी बहुत. मेरे जाने के बाद क्यों सभी याद रखे मुझे पर असलियत यही कि कुछ दिन का ये मनाते शोग. Nice. Then chorus. शायद तुझसे ख्वाबों में मिलूं. Very, very cute. क्या करूं इन यादों से अब लड़ूं मैं अंदर से मर चुका अब कैसे जीऊं गम ही इतने क्या क्या मैं छुपाता फिरूं. Listen. These 4 lines only I died. Then घुट रहा हूँ भीड़ में जीने तो दो खुल के यहाँ सांस ही लेने तो दो तरसे एक घूंट के तुम पीने तो दो क्या मुझे ढूंढते भाई जीने तो दो. 1 second. I know I've ruined it, but this hook, the lines, every line is so good, right?
It's beautiful.
It's beautiful.
It's the right kind of hook, which kind of goes with everything and yet has its own identity and yet allows the verses to hold their own while merging the 2-3 verses together. It's a very well written.
And also it's giving the listener a scope to imagine their own situation because the lines can also relate to, I don't know, a romantic situation. It can also relate to a generic life situation. It can also relate to like someone having career problems or like
career issues. Exactly.
It can relate to so many people listening to so many different personal circumstances. It's just such good lines, man.
It is too good.
It is too good. JJ47. Now let's get Dharam. This guy is a poet, man, par excellence. I just can't. Okay. Dharam bharam, लेकिन फिर भी कैसे भरम देख ज्वाला खून तभी तो जाता है गरम देख तभी हो जाता है गरम देख. This is like okay, never mind. झूठी बातें मुझसे होती नहीं है हजम देख. I like it. जितने भी बन जाए ये सक लौंडे दिल के नरम देख. I loved it. I loved it. This is very nice. मेरा अज़म मेरा कदम. What is अज़म? Dedication. Okay. मेरा अज़म मेरा कदम मेरा कलाम देख मेरे गाने मेरी कला मेरी नज़म देख करम देख जाके कहीं मरम देख तुझे दिखे जो टैटू मेरी बॉडी पे जख्म थे This
Ah,
line, I died. Hard relate happened. Oh, so good. That's exactly what I was saying in the last song. Remember when Anjum said scars over tattoos? I was like, sometimes tattoos are scars. And that's
yes.
exactly what he's saying here. I was like, yes, come a full circle. The thought. So, okay, where is it? तुझे दिखे जो tattoo मेरी body पे जख्म थे, लहजे नरम थे, फेंके आग क्यों? What is lehze? It's not written
There's
here.
his manner of being.
Ah,
like
yeah,
लहजे.
like लहजा, okay. लहजे नरम थे, फेंके आग क्यों? तुम सगे नहीं मांगते हिसाब, तुम सगे नहीं मांगते हिसाब क्यों? Love it. तुम सगे नहीं हो? What is the problem? तुम खुदा नहीं छीनते खुराक क्यों? Nice. दो डालो बेवजह अजाब क्यों? I don't know what azab is. It's not
Azab,
written.
even I don't know. Yeah.
अजाब नहीं लिखा है इधर लिस्ट में. ओके. दो डालो बेवजह अजाब क्यों? जुनूनी खून तेरी जुस्तजू कहाँ है? तू भागे जिसके पीछे वो रूबरू कहाँ है? उर्दू हिप हॉप मेरी उर्दू कहाँ है? तू ही हिप हॉप जे खुद कहाँ है? ओनली टॉक मेरा वजू कहाँ है? वजू इज ओके, वॉशिंग योरसेल्फ, ablution. So one sec, where did it go? Only talk मेरा वजू कहाँ है? बांटू इल्म तराजू कहाँ है? हाथ दुआ को नहीं उठते, मेरा दिल मेरे बाजू कहाँ है? हारे हैं जीते हैं आंसू को पीते हैं, दिल के ये फीके हैं जाने तरीके हैं, जख्मों को सीते हैं गिर के ही सीखे हैं. आईने में देख हम खुद पे ही चीखे हैं. This line, man, and the way he delivered it, the pain, it was just again like
Too
wrong day
much.
happened. Yeah. मेरी हसल मेरा पेट भरे, तुझे दिखे जो वो मेहनत वो लक नहीं, मैं मंजिल पे पहुंचा जबकि पता रास्ता सड़क नहीं. This line again, जबकि पता रास्ता सड़क नहीं. Like I have gone the road less traveled. There was no road there and I went there and I, carved my path. Amazing. जबकि पता रास्ता सड़क नहीं, जिंदगी ने सख्त किया बचपन कड़क नहीं, मुंह बल गिरे पर गए भटक नहीं, गाने करने हैं जोखे, तुझे पता है मेरी बुझी ये तड़प नहीं. I love this guy. So
काश ये
good.
तड़प ना बुझे for a
I
long,
know.
long time.
Never.
Yeah.
Okay, then chorus and then TY. हाँ रहते हम जोन में. Okay, this I will say slowly. He's super fast. हाँ रहते हम जोन में, बैठ मेरी क्लास में, सब जाने के हूँ कौन मैं, खुदा ना छीने लोग तभी खड़ा माइक्रोफोन पे, पिस्तल मेरे हाथ में पर अपने मुझे रोक रहे हैं, अकेले बैठे सोचते आगे है तेरी सोच से, खुदा के इसी खौफ से ना लड़े कभी शौक से, कुत्ते मैंने पाले जो अब वही मुझे भौंकते, बातें इतनी असर छोड़े खड़े रोंगटे. यस, बातें रोंगटे अशकों का दरिया ये डूबे मेरे अपने. नाइस. कैसे ना फिर कूदे जेबें पत्थरों से भर के, मैं खुदा के सहारे वही पूरे करे सपने. नाइस. वही दिखाता रास्ते वही सोने को छत दे, ये दुनिया वाले समझे मुझे होश नहीं है, इंडस्ट्री है मुलाजिम मेरी दोस्त नहीं है, अंधेरे भी ये डरे मेरी रोशनी से, ना समझ को दोष दे वो सोच नहीं है, क्या लड़ूं इन मेहमानों से, क्या डरूं इन दीवानों से, क्या रहूं आसमानों पे और बादलों से गाने दे, वो डरे इन निगाहों से जब स्टूडियो हो बाहों में, मैं लिख रहा अलग सालों से जब समझे नहीं क्या मानोगे, ढूंढ पिल मुकाबिल लड़े हुए हम तो मौत से, सड़क से शुरू हुए अब दिखे बिलबोर्ड पे, असला बिना लाइसेंस के लेके पहुंचू मैं शूट पे. व्हाट इज असला? वेपन्स. ओके. असला बिना लाइसेंस के लेके पहुंचू मैं शूट पे, ये बिला वजह शोर इनको चाहने वाले टोकते, वो भी आशिक थे हमारे जो हमें कातिल बता रहे. मैंने देखे वो नज़ारे जब यहाँ जीने के थे लाले, फिर भी डरती है सलाखें कहती इसको कौन संभाले, हम इन लफ्जों के सहारे लोगों को जीना सिखा रहे. He knows it. बाहें ऐसे कि खुद राह ढूंढ लेते, दिलों पे है काबू होता जादू से, वर्सेस ऐसे बांटते बोल क्या लूं पैसे, डाका पूरे शहर पे हम डाकू ऐसे. Love it. Loved it. Oh my God. And then the chorus. What to say now? What to say that we haven't said already? These three.
Beautiful song.
All
They
of them?
feel, it's how how two songs, similar feels, lots of talk, lots of, the
Real talk.
कितने words हैं,
Mm.
कितने words हैं, लेकिन इतने सारे words को भी एक different way में पिरो के to yet make the song sound new and different. I mean, how many songs can be there in like a bunch of people?
Really makes
Like,
you
the
think
whole
now,
youngsters,
like
it really
creativity,
does.
creativity has no limits. Like you can just
For some
like
people, I've
reinvent.
noticed creativity has limits, but with them, it almost feels
Yeah.
limitless because I think
Yeah.
it's how much have they absorbed while growing up, and how much have they actually self-taught themselves that today they can consistently belt out one after another, and every song touches us. ऐसा थोड़ा मुश्किल है ना? Like
I think-
normally to imagine that.
I think a lot of it also has to do with who you surround yourself with, right? Because I feel like
100%.
if they hadn't met each other and this combination, like Jokhe being there,
Yeah.
and Jokhe's history before he met them as a musician, because he was in a rock band and he plays all these instruments and he's like the
Correct.
whole like it's kind of like the universe conspires to make these things happen because they're meant to happen. So it's like
Yeah.
it kind of conspired to bring all these poets and musicians together so that together they can keep creating magic like this where there is no limit, because each one
Yeah.
brings so much prep to the
So much to the
table
table. Yeah.
that every time something new and innovative comes out, it's like it's crazy. Because this kind of like you look at Eunice in this track, for example, he's kind of in the innovation has happened so evidently on his end with the singing and the hook and the all of that. Jokhe has done something he doesn't normally do. JJ is consistent with his poetry and giving crazy
Correct.
crazy relatable lines. Each one is just upping their game because of the energy in the room when they're working on something,
Yeah.
so
It's one can just take a pause and only appreciate it.
yeah.
And that's all. Because
Yeah.
that's why so many times, when we are listening and then we are discussing, many times I've noticed even this happens to you and it happens to me, we suddenly go blank on what else to say.
Yeah.
Because when you're witnessing such pure creativity, it's sometimes you just have to take a step back and just absorb it rather than do anything else about it, which is stunning. So I'm just, this is a beautiful track. I know I can listen to it in so many different ways. Like, it doesn't matter kya mood chal raha hai, din ka kaun sa peher hai. Sometimes when you just want to listen to a good song and you listen to it, you still get different things out of it. And that's what happens with their songs to me.
That's exactly what I think. I posted this on my Insta, and good thought to end this on, because I think it was Marcus Aurelius who said, no, one second, one of the Stoic philosophers, I think it was Hippocrates. I can't remember now. Anyway, you liked it as well. The no man enters the same river twice, because it is not the same river and he is not the same man. So when you listen to a song like this or any of these songs, you'll never feel the same emotion again. You'll always relate in some different way because you're not the same person. The moment is not the same. The song will not come at you the same way.
Yes.
So it's like that kind of art. Yeah. And again, I feel like, there's a lot of creative people who have a lot in them to be constantly productive and keep creating things, but they hit a roadblock because they don't have the people around them who can help that come out and who can help them build on it and innovate with it and iterate and make something crazy. So I feel like these guys is like, I don't know, man, some outer energy in the world that has brought them together, because it is crazy how much, not just you and me, but even the listeners and the fans, they all constantly, the messages I see and the comments I see are, how are these guys so consistently producing stuff without a break? And it's not even like the quality is getting compromised, right? It's quantity with quality, and that is no joke. So it's there's an outer power and an outer energy working to make this happen, I feel. So anyway, full props to these guys, and what a beautiful song again. We can just sit back and enjoy.
Yes, let's do.
So yay. And the day I drop this, what's the bet now? Is something going to drop or not?
No.
Let's keep playing this game.
Oh, acha. I say, why not? It will drop. Yeah.
I'm saying no because I feel the spell has been broken, but we'll see. Chalo, dekhte hai kya hota hai.
Spells break only for new spells to be put in place. So let's figure it out.
Let's see what happens. Chalo. Okay, we'll see you guys on the next one. Take care of yourselves. Check out Miss Bhola. She's on Instagram. Handles down below. Support kar lo is channel ko. Acha lagta hai. But yeah, take care of yourselves. Live long and prosper.